Welcome to the in front of me TCL 30 SE, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll here to the sounds and vibration section. Here you will set the notification ringtone. Click here. Now we have selected the glow. Just to select the another one, just click once on the available sounds here, for example this one. Now just go back here and you can see that we just successfully changed notification sound to the another one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.